1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sky is bright and the day is sunny. Oh, what fun as I play with the bunnies. There are 5 of them, they look cute. They love playing with me too. Oh my God! Hop, 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 they go behind the bush, little Iman. Follow them too. One by one they all come out. But now they are only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did Benny go? Where did one bunny go? Did he hide in the pumpkin rows? They search the field and come out, but now there are only 3. 1, 2, 3. Benny, Benny. We cannot let our friends be lost. We have to find them at any cost. They search the playhouse inside out, but now there are only 2. 1, 2. Oh no! No, 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 this is not done. Let's find them before sets the sun. One by one they should come out, but now there is only 1. 1. One bunny left. One last try we have to do. How do we play if we are only 2? They search the car with no luck, and now all the bunnies are gone. Oh no! I remember. Something doesn't feel right up here. I think someone out there. Oh look, all 5 bunnies I found at fields, eat cards and having a blast. Now we all are get together. Now